Hey guys, it's me, Kenny, I'm 7. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately because it's summer. What have you got to lose? Don't ask me why I'm doing that, because I am. So I will have a new picture coming out on my channel there. I know it looks like I'm not looking at the camera, but I am. Wait a second. Now I am. It just looks like I'm looking over in that direction, but I'm not. I'm looking at here. That was just my finger. Don't get all cocky. So today I'm coming at you with more cooking show. School ended. I'm so happy, but it ended a while ago for me because I go to A.W. Brown. But I have to go back to school in 2 months. Not in September. Not in September. I go back in August 10th. Yeah, so, sorry, it's just something stuck to my dresser over here. And yes, if you're wondering, this is where I make all of my cooking show videos, because I always have a towel looking down. Okay, you will not see my face a lot in this. You will need 1 spoon. It's not the cleanest. 1 pot, 1 toy tea set pot with a cap. 1 water bottle that I made with red food coloring and pink ink with a little bit of water. Well, a lot of bit of water. This stuff, however I made it, I don't remember. This stuff, I don't remember how I made it. This stuff, which is red food coloring and pink, a little bit of pink food coloring and water. An empty nail polish bottle. It is still full. Let me go empty it. I emptied it on the towel that I'm using right now. You will see my lips, but you will not see my face. My whole face. My face. Okay, you saw it that time because I bent down. Let's get back. This, which is red food coloring that I poured out, added some of this stuff, this stuff, this stuff, and this stuff, and some of this stuff. Okay. Just had to make sure you saw everything there. You will need a bottle that has stuff in it with a cap thing in it. This happened because I jammed something in there, and then I can't get it out now. So I just don't care. So I just don't care. Okay. Then you get this stuff. And that's all of the ingredients. So let's get started. First, you'll need your pot. Open it. Pour some of this stuff in. Pour about a spoonful. This is also our measuring spoon. And then you pour it in there. Then you take this, which is our measuring. It's also our measuring thing for today. So you take some of this stuff and you pour it in there. So we're going to close everything that we use after we use it. Then you're going to pour it in there. 2 caps of this. Ooh, excuse me. Then you do that. Then you use this about one spoonful, about one half of a spoonful. It has glitter in it, so don't mind that. Then you're going to take some of that stuff, and you're going to pour about 1 cupful, 1.5 cupfuls, one, and basically, and half. Okay, now we're going to stir it up. Then, don't mind that. Just had to cough there. My phone is on a low percent, so I'm going to charge it in a minute. So this will be a short episode. I will have a too big. This will be too big. Alright, back to that. So once you stir it up, you're gonna put the cap on and set that aside. So you're gonna take some of this stuff and the spoon and this stuff. So you're going to take about a spoonful, half a spoonful, 1.5 spoonful, and pour it into here. So hopefully this doesn't get too messy. Okay, now we're gonna do a half. Okay, now we're going to pour that in there. Oh. And then we're gonna take about a spoonful of this. Then we're gonna pour it in there, like I just did. Then we're gonna go like this. You're gonna hold on to this. Go. Oh, it's not closed all the way. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So that now that we've shaken that in the weirdest, awkward possible. Shake, shake. Okay. So now that we've shaken that, we're going to take a spoonful of this, pour it in there. Pour it in here. And we're going to pour about 2 cups of this stuff in here. 2.5 cups. Oh no, it's gone terribly wrong. And half. Take this stuff, pour it in here. Then we're going to take one more. So we're going to end the episode soon. Probably about in 5 minutes. Probably about in a couple minutes. Okay. So my phone is on 60. So we're going to shake that up, pour the rest of it in here. Then we're going to pour some more of this stuff in. And then we're going to pour it all the way to the top. Then we're going. This is the last thing we're gonna do. We're gonna take about 2 capfuls. And then that's all we're gonna do for today's episode. So we're gonna shake this stuff up. Then we're going to swirl it up a little bit. And that's all we're gonna do for this episode. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please leave a like if you did. Just do this. Like I always say. Boom! Bye guys!